Welcome to the ultimate dash cam showdown. Today, we're diving into 5 standout models that cater to all types of drivers, from budget-conscious users to those seeking top-of-the-line technology. Whether you prioritize ultra-high resolution, AI features, or seamless connectivity, there's something here for you. Let's break it down. The Rove R2-4 K Pro offers 4K Ultra HD recording, a Sony CMOS sensor, and 5G Wi-Fi for seamless app connectivity. It includes a built-in GPS, WDR for night clarity, and a 24-hour parking mode, making it ideal for budget-conscious users who want premium features. Garmin Dash Cam 67W, compact and smart. This sleek dash cam captures 1440p video at 60 frames per second with a 180-degree ultra-wide lens. It features driver alerts, HDR for balanced lighting, and voice control. Its parking mode offers reliable monitoring, perfect for safety-focused drivers. Nextbase IQ, AI-powered premium security. The Nextbase IQ delivers 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p cabin recording with AI features like incident detection and threat alerts. With Wi-Fi/4G, live view, and voice commands, it's perfect for those seeking top-tier connectivity and security. Nextbase 622 GW, all-round premium performer. This camera excels with 4K at 30 frames per second, extreme weather mode, and advanced night vision. It includes What 3 words, GPS tracking, and Alexa integration, making it a reliable option for those who prioritize safety and versatility. Viofo A229 Pro, dual channel value. The Viofo A229 Pro records 2K video on both front and rear cameras, featuring Sony Starvis sensors for great low-light performance. It's a budget-friendly dual-channel option with WDR technology, GPS, and 256GB storage support. Budget King. If you want the best features without breaking the bank, go for the Rove R224K Pro. Compact Genius. For stealth and simplicity, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is your pick. AI excellence. Want cutting-edge tech? Look no further than the Nextbase IQ. Premium all-rounder. For ultimate performance and reliability, the Nextbase 622 GW stands tall. Value champion. Need dual-channel recording without splurging? The Viofo A229 Pro is unbeatable. Which one suits your needs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.